Hi, I'm Holly Cascanette, broker with Remax in Parry Sound. I am here at 264 Tahinca Road on beautiful, stunning Whitestone Lake. This is a very special offering, 200 feet of waterfront, and look at this gorgeous natural sandy beach. We've got a level entry into the water, ripples of sand, and look at that gorgeous long lake view. This is a detached 3-bedroom, 2-bath cottage. It can be used 4 seasons. It is insulated and heated. We've got a gorgeous detached double-car garage, 1.07 acres of privacy, and Whitestone Lake is a premium lake. You can go boating for hours. There is a marina and access into town. Don't miss it. Check my website, hollysellsparrysound.com.